expression theory is telling us about. That will take us to the various types of emotion. Emotion has been grouped into three basic forms. We have the basic emotion, we have the secondary emotion, and the complex emotion. The basic emotion can be called the primary emotion. They include 6 of them, which are: we have happiness, we have sadness, we have fear, we have anger, we have disgust, and then we have surprises. While the secondary emotions, they are built up from this primary emotion. We have frustration, we have pride, we have envy, and we have jealousy. The complex emotion is a combination of various basic emotions. Well, these ones are sophisticated in nature. We have emotions such as admiration or aware. So the basic emotions, they include, just for perfect or better understanding, they include happiness, which is a positive emotion characterized by feeling of joy, contentment, and satisfaction. The second one is sadness, which is a negative emotion often associated with feeling of disappointment, grief, or hopelessness. The next one is fear, which is a primal emotion triggered by perceived threats, often leading to a fight or flight response. Anger is another emotion, which is actually an emotion characterized by feelings of hostility and frustration, often triggered by injustice or threat. The next one is disgust. A strong emotion. Disgust is actually a strong emotional response to something considered offensive or unpleasant, while the last one is actually surprise. So surprise is actually a brief emotional state, either positive or negative, that follows something unexpected. That will take us to the secondary emotions, where we have frustration. Frustration arises from a blocked goal or desire, often involving negative feeling like anger or sadness. So wherever your goal has been blocked, your plans has been thwarted, it can lead to frustration. The next one is pride, which is a positive emotion stemming from one's achievement or positive attributes. The next one is envy, which is a form of secondary emotion. It is a negative emotion resulting from a desire for something another person possesses. We have the next emotion called jealousy, which is a complex emotion involving feelings of anger, fear, and sadness related to a perceived trait, to a relationship or possession. That will take us to complex emotions. We have admiration. Admiration is a feeling of respect and appreciation for someone or something. We have another form of complex emotion called aware. It's a feeling of wonder, amazement, and sometimes fear in response to something grand or impressive. We have empathic pain, which is a feeling the pain of others as if it were one's own. So where you are feeling the pain of other persons, we call it the emotion of empathy. We have nostalgia, which is a sentimental longing or wistfulness for the past. Now, why do we talk about